What's up guys, Vlad here back with another episode of Vlad's Vlogs. So, a couple episodes back, I got a drone, but it was a very cheap drone. And I decided to return the laptop that I got for Christmas and get myself a DJI Spark. So, I decided to share the opening of my box that I've been waiting for all day with you guys. So, let's see what we have. Sent me the micro SD that was promised in the package. 16 gigabyte, not bad. Picking list. Here we go. So with the DJI Spark, you get two options. You can get the Fly More combo or you can get the drone by itself. I decided to get the Fly More combo because they had a decent Boxing Day sale. But if you didn't know, DJI actually offers a student discount through a third-party website that's called Student Beans. So for any students out there, I'd suggest that you guys check that out and take advantage of that. Am I even in the picture here? Should get my phone to check actually. So, with the Fly More combo, you're supposed to get the aircraft body, remote control, 2 batteries, 1 charger, a battery charging hub, propeller guards, extra propellers, micro USB cable, storage box, and a shoulder bag. So it's pretty good if you plan on traveling and stuff and want to carry your drone around with you like in your carry-on or whatnot, because I personally wouldn't put it down below because I've seen what they do to those bags. There's that. Ooh, okay. My Wi-Fi, Spark instructions. Let's check out what we have in the shoulder bag. If I can get it out. Pretty nice leather shoulder bag. Probably not real leather, but leather. Nice. Shows you how you can put it in and everything. Batteries, charger, spark. I feel like it might be in here, not in here. Let's see what this is. Oh, we'll see. Let's do this first. Ooh, yeah, I think it might be in here. This is pretty good. Thanks, DJI. Oh, no. Oh, maybe. Actually, we'll see. So what we have in here is the propeller guards, I'd like to say. Yeah, so these are the propeller guards. I'm probably going to put these on just for my first flight to see how it goes. There's the other pack of propeller guards. USB charger. Other part of the charger. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, nice. Controller. It's actually pretty heavy. I wasn't expecting it to be this heavy. I feel like that might be that for this. Oh. Micro USB charging cable. Ooh. Charging port. That's gonna come handy. So nothing more in the shoulder bag from what I can see. Let's see if the drone's actually in here. Wow, that's a lot of books. Ooh, yeah. Where's my other battery though? Oh, maybe it's already with the drone. Oh, yeah. So don't be scared. Your battery is one with the drone already. I guess these are the, let's see if I can get these out. Extra propellers are in here. I'd suggest getting them, especially if you're a beginner like me, just in case stuff doesn't go as planned. But here it is, the DJI Spark. So it has the gimbal and everything, makes for smooth shots. I believe so. But yeah, that's my unboxing of my first ever drone. Hopefully it goes well, but I'll make sure to make a vlog of my first flight with it and show you guys what the content looks like. Thank you guys for sticking along. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to everyone. Till next time.